Hi, this is Dr. Fab Mancini, and I want to personally invite you to join me at the Change and Life Destiny event in April. Why is this event? I'm going to put the link right here. It has all the information, but I'm actually going to be there coming to you live. And I'm bringing you, especially doctors of chiropractic, but all providers are welcome, the secret of how you're going to position yourselves in your practice to be able to support the ending of chronic disease, which is the mission of this new administration, and making America healthy again. I want you right now to buy your tickets. Get right now in Dallas. It's going to be an amazing event. And not only that, you're going to be surrounded by some of the most innovative technologies that are out there. And most importantly, some of the greatest speakers that you have found in this space. Register right now. I will see you there. And don't forget, we're going to have a special class with the greatest innovator in nutrition, Rick Anson, where we're going to give you 3 hours as a provider of how you can implement at least 6 of the biggest solutions in ending chronic disease right at your fingertips. We're going to give it all to you just so you can help your patients. And not only that, attract a lot of new patients into your practice that are looking for these solutions. Come, register right now. We'll see you in Dallas.